All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to walk on a wet Cedar Shake roof. I don't know if you can tell right now, but it's raining. And if you know anything about Cedar Shake roofs, when it's wet or if it's raining, when you go on there, it's slippery just like ice. If you go up there without the proper footwear, you're gonna slip and you might even die. So let me show you guys what I use. I use, it's called ice cleats. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So basically what it is, it's got tiny little spikes at the end of it, and you can put this on top of your shoe. And the reason why I like this one a lot is because you can tighten it. I used to use some other ones where you put them on top of your shoe, but there's nothing to tighten it. And sometimes you might be up there and then it comes off your shoe. So if it comes off your shoe, what's the point of it? You need to be able to be secure on the roof. So these little spikes, it doesn't damage the roof when you go up there with it. It just makes tiny little dots on the roof. If you've been on a Cedar Shake roof before, you might have seen tiny little dots on there, and that's what it is. Like the previous person that went on the roof that cleaned it, that's probably what they did. So I'm gonna put this on right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I walk on these roofs. And like I said, you see this piece right here? I just twist it and it tightens it up, which is very important because you want to make sure you're secure when you're on this roof. Because if you go on there while it's wet and you're not secure, you're gonna slip. I've learned that the hard way by going up on a dry Cedar Shake roof, cleaning a skylight, and by accident the water goes under my feet and then I accidentally slip. Boom. It's nice and tight. All right, so now we're gonna see on the roof what it's like. You see it? Some people think that you might damage the roof, but it's not gonna damage the roof. It's very safe. I'm gonna take my, I'm gonna use my other phone to show you guys what it looks like. Here. So this is me walking on the roof with it. So the previous person that was on this roof, you might see small little dots on the roof. It doesn't really damage the roof. It doesn't do anything bad on the roof. It's very minimal holes. Mine is even like smaller than the previous person that was up there. And then like this, I'm able to walk on the roof and I can do whatever job I need to do, whether it's cleaning the roof, doing the gutters, or whatnot. You still have to be careful when you're walking like this because, you know, you're still on a wet Cedar Shake roof. But this is very ideal for when you need to go on a roof like this. And there you have it. That's how you walk on a wet Cedar Shake roof. And if you're interested in learning how to get these jobs by knocking doors the way I do it in my other videos, click the link in the description below.